Hi everyone, this is your biology class. I'm your teacher Seema Treja. Welcome you all in my class. Today we talk about one more biogeochemical cycle, that is the nitrogen cycle. Students, as we all know, atmosphere is the chief reservoir of nitrogen. Almost 78% of the atmosphere is made of nitrogen. And nitrogen is a vital component of many essential organic compounds of the organism, especially proteins, nucleic acid, and some vitamins. It constitutes nearly 16% of all the proteins by weight. Apart from these, nitrogen is also found in other biological important compounds such as urea and alkaloids. Though nitrogen forms the maximum part of the atmosphere, but it cannot be used directly by living organism except a few bacteria. इन नेचर में सिर्फ कुछ ही बैक्टीरिया प्रेजेंट हैं जो नाइट्रोजन को मॉलिक्यूलर नाइट्रोजन की फॉर्म में यूटिलाइज करते हैं. बाकी कोई भी ऑर्गेनिज्म जो है मॉलिक्यूलर नाइट्रोजन को यूटिलाइज डायरेक्टली नहीं कर पाता है. देन व्हाट हैपन्स, इट नीड्स टू बी फर्स्ट फिक्स्ड and then converted into certain compounds like ammonia, nitrites or nitrates. These are the three forms of nitrogenous compound which are utilized and absorbed by the plants. So molecular nitrogen needs to be first fixed and then converted into usable nitrogenous compounds like ammonia, nitrites or nitrates which are absorbed by the plants. However, the amount of these compounds is limited in the soil. So, what is the need? If these compounds are not replenished in the soil, they would rapidly exhaust. So, time to time, replenishment is necessary. How is the replenishment of the nitrogen is going on in the nature? It is the nitrogen cycle which will explain this concept. What do you mean by nitrogen cycle? Nitrogen moves between atmosphere and living forms in a cyclic way. This is called nitrogen cycle. So this is our topic of discussion today, कि how cycling of nitrogen takes place between biotic, that is the living forms of life, and abiotic components of the atmosphere, that is non-living components of the atmosphere. How is the nitrogen moves between the atmosphere and living forms in a cyclic way. This is our topic of discussion today. Nitrogen cycle mainly consists of 5 steps. First step is nitrogen fixation. What is nitrogen fixation? Fixation of atmospheric nitrogen in the form of nitrates. In nature, molecular nitrogen is present, that is converted into nitrates, which is the usable forms, that is absorbed by the plant roots. Second step is nitrogen assimilation. This soluble nitrates, when enter inside the plant, it is converted into nitrogenous compounds like amino acids are formed. Then with the help of amino acids, protein is formed. This is called nitrogen assimilation, that is conversion of soluble nitrates into organic compounds. And next step is ammonification. What is ammonification? That is organic compounds are further converted into ammonia, or rather we can say ammonium ions. This step is known as ammonification. Next step is nitrification, in which these ammonia converted into nitrites with the help of certain bacteria like Nitrosomonas and Nitrosococcus bacteria, which help in conversion of ammonia into nitrites. And then nitrite is converted into nitrate with the help of another bacteria, that is Nitrobacter bacteria help in this process. So ammonia first converted into nitrite and then into nitrate. The process is known as nitrification. All these forms, that is ammonia, nitrite and nitrates, are the usable forms which is absorbed by the plant roots. All these 4 steps, that is nitrogen fixation, nitrogen assimilation, ammonification and nitrification. What we are observing, that is nitrogen is utilized. The last step of nitrogen cycle is denitrification. What is denitrification? In which nitrogenous compounds like nitrite and nitrates are converted into nitrogen, molecular nitrogen, with the help of bacteria, Pseudomonas and Thiobacillus. They help in this process and the molecular nitrogen goes free into the atmosphere. This step is known as denitrification. So these are the 5 important steps which help in nitrogen cycling in the atmosphere. Now I am going to draw the nitrogen cycle and explaining these steps one by one for the clear understanding of this cycle. This is the molecular nitrogen, and 78% of nitrogen is present in the atmosphere. As we know, this is not directly used by organisms, so it is first converted into usable forms. What are the 3 usable forms? That is ammonia, first formed, then it is converted into ammonium ions, then ammonium ions are converted into nitrite, and then nitrite is converted into nitrate. These are the 3 usable forms of nitrogen which is utilized by the green plants. How this atmospheric nitrogen is converted into these 3 usable forms of nitrogen? First process, that is biological nitrogen fixation. As the name indicate, it is biological nitrogen fixation. Bio word is included in this. So some microbes or living forms of life, that is bacteria, help in this process. Next is industrial fixation. Like some factory, nitrous compounds are prepared in them and utilized as a fertilizers. So second step is industrial fixation. And in the third way, atmospheric nitrogen is converted into oxides of nitrogen, that is atmospheric fixation. So these are the 3 steps: biological nitrogen fixation, industrial fixation and atmospheric fixation. With the help of these, atmospheric nitrogen is converted into usable forms of nitrogen. These usable forms of nitrogen is utilized by the green plants. They absorb these with the help of their roots. And these nitrogen compounds inside the plants, they are converted into amino acids. And then with the help of amino acids, protein is synthesized in them. This is called assimilation, that is nitrogen assimilation. And then when the animals consume these plants, these nitrous compounds enter inside the body of the animals. This is the second step of nitrogen cycle, that is nitrogen assimilation. And then when these plants and animals die, death and decay of these plants and animals takes place. Death and decay. Of these plants and animal takes place. Decomposers helps in this process. Decomposers like bacteria, fungus, they decompose the nitrogenous compound like proteins present inside the dead plants and animals and converted into ammonia. This step is known as the ammonification. We can add one more step here in ammonification, that is in animals excretion takes place. In the process of excretion, urea is expelled out from the body and then urea broken down into ammonia. This step is also included in ammonification, which is the third step in the nitrogen cycle. Fourth step, that is nitrification. Nitrification we already discussed that ammonia is first converted into nitrite and then into nitrate. This step is known as nitrification. All these four steps we are talking about how nitrogen is utilized by the living organism. How is this nitrogen is giving back? Because what we talking about nitrogen cycle, and cycle means it has to move continuously between living organism. We are observing here that how nitrogen is circulated in the living organism. And now we will discuss the last step of nitrogen cycle, in which nitrogen is released into the atmosphere further. That is the conversion of these nitrogenous compound into molecular nitrogen. This is the last step of nitrogen cycle, which is known as the denitrification. What happens in denitrification? These usable forms of nitrogen, that is nitrogenous compounds, are further converted into molecular nitrogen. This process is known as the denitrification. The bacteria work in this process. The name of the bacteria is Pseudomonas. Pseudo, Pseudomonas. And we can add one more bacteria, that is Thiobacillus. So these are the two nitrifying bacteria which help in the denitrification process, and nitrogenous compounds further converted into molecular nitrogen. So these are the 5 steps through which cycling of nitrogen takes place. First is the nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation takes place with the help of biological nitrogen fixation, industrial fixation and atmospheric fixation, in which molecular nitrogen is converted into usable forms of nitrogen. Second step is, that is nitrogen assimilation, in which these usable forms of nitrogen utilized by the or absorbed by the plant roots, and inside the plant roots with the help of these usable forms of nitrogen they are converted into amino acids, then protein is synthesized, and when animals feed on these plants, these nitrogenous compounds enter inside the body of the animals. This is known as the nitrogen assimilation. Then third step of nitrogen cycle, that is ammonification. What happens in the ammonification? When death of the plants and animals takes place, dead organic matter present in the dead plants and animals body, that is decomposed into ammonia. This step is known as ammonification. One more step we added here, that is animals excretion takes place. They expelled out urea, then urea is broken down into ammonia. So nitrogenous compound through the decomposition process converted into ammonia. This is the next step of nitrogen cycle. And the last step is denitrification, in which nitrogenous compounds release molecular nitrogen further into the atmosphere. The process is known as denitrification. Two bacteria help in this process, that is Pseudomonas and Thiobacillus. They help in the process of denitrification. Now we will discuss these 3 steps: biological nitrogen fixation, industrial fixation and atmospheric fixation. How they convert molecular nitrogen into nitrogenous compound. So first we will discuss the biological nitrogen fixation. What happens in case of biological nitrogen fixation? Biological nitrogen fixation. It takes place in special variety of plants like leguminous plants. What is present in the roots of the leguminous plants? Root nodules are there. Root nodules are there. Inside the root nodules, nitrogen fixing bacteria. The The name of the bacteria is Rhizobium is present. With the help of nitrogenase enzyme, this bacteria help in the conversion of molecular nitrogen into nitrogenous compound. This is the biological nitrogen fixation, in which molecular nitrogen is converted into nitrogenous compounds with the help of Rhizobium bacteria that is present in the root nodules of the leguminous plants. This is called biological nitrogen fixation. Second step is industrial fixation. What happens in case of industrial fixation? It takes place in certain industry or factory where nitrogen reacts with hydrogen and ammonia is produced. Then this ammonia combined with carbon dioxide and urea is produced, and urea is used as a fertilizers which are utilized by the plant roots. Then urea broken down into ammonia, and ammonium ions are produced which is utilized by the plants in the preparation of amino acids or proteins. This is called industrial fixation. And the third is the atmospheric fixation. It is taking place in the upper layers of the atmosphere. What happens there? Nitrogen combined with molecular oxygen in the presence of UV rays and lightning. जब बिजली कड़कती है, UV rays and lightning help in the reaction of nitrogen and oxygen, and oxides of nitrogens are produced. These oxides of nitrogen combines with water vapors present into the atmosphere and forms the nitrite and nitrate. That is, oxides of nitrogens are produced. Further, these nitrites and nitrates combines with water and produce nitrite is converted into nitrous acid and nitrate is converted into nitric acid. So acids are produced which fall on the ground. This is called acid rain. Or maybe these nitrites or nitrates fall on the soil and utilized by the plant roots. So these are the three ways through which nitrogen fixation takes place. First one is the biological nitrogen fixation with the help of Rhizobium bacteria. रूट नोड्यूल्स में ये बैक्टीरिया प्रेजेंट होते हैं जो कि नाइट्रोजनस कंपाउंड को मॉलिकुलर नाइट्रोजन को नाइट्रोजनस कंपाउंड में कन्वर्ट करने में रोल प्ले करते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ एंजाइम नाइट्रोजिनेज एंजाइम. दैट एंजाइम इज प्रेजेंट इनटू द रूट नोड्यूल्स विच वर्क इन एनारोबिक कंडीशन. This enzyme nitrogenase work in anaerobic condition in absence of oxygen. Molecular nitrogen is converted into nitrogenous compound. This is the first way of nitrogen fixation. Second way, that is industrial fixation. In factory, nitrogen, hydrogen combine together to form ammonia. Then ammonia combines with CO2, urea is produced, which is utilized as a fertilizers. This urea is broken down into ammonia, which is utilized by the plant roots. Third process is atmospheric fixation, which takes place in upper layer of the atmosphere, where nitrogen combines with molecular oxygen. In the presence of UV rays and lightning, oxides of nitrogen are produced. These oxides of nitrogen combines with the water vapors present into the atmosphere. Nitrites and nitrates, that is oxides of nitrogen, are produced, which are utilized by the plant roots. Maybe they combine with the water vapors. Acids like nitrous acid and nitric acids are produced. They fall on the ground and responsible for the acid rains. This is all about nitrogen cycle. I think the concept is very much clear to you all. Thank you so much.